Are you struggling to unify your customers' data and deliver personalized experience across multiple channels? Managing data from different sources can feel chaotic without the right tool. Welcome to Segment, the ultimate customer data platform CDP designed to centralize, organize, and activate your customer data. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Segment. And obviously, this is an introduction video. We will see how it works and a lot of information. Right. So before we get started, I want to talk about, let's break down what's make Segment stand out. So according to them, Segment is a powerful CDP that help business unify customer data and deliver personalized experience. Now let me show you. So for example, they have the data collections which help you to capture customers' interactions across websites and other touch points. You build single comprehensive profiles for each customers by combining data from multiple sources. There is audience segmentations and seamlessly connect with tools like Google Analytics, Salesforce, HubSpot, and a lot. And one more thing which I like, it is a cloud-based and accessible from any device, real-time data syncing from accurate decision making and scalable for business of all sizes. So to get started, just come to segment.com, right? You can also type Twilio segment here. It's really easy. And once you are ready to implement, now just you have to go and click on get a demo. So to get a demo, let's go and click on pricing because it's going to play an important role here. Now you can see here, this is for the connection, this is for the CDPs. Now here, let's say I want to learn more about the CDP, right? So it will give you a two plan, the unify and engage. Right now, obviously these both are for the different purpose. You can just pause the video or just come to this website here and you can just get a complete information about it. Now, once you're satisfied with, just go and click on get a demo of any one of them. You have to enter your working email, full name and number and click on get demo. So this is how usually it's work. Now, one of the member of segment will be in contact with you and schedule a time where it will show you a brief information about Twilio segment, how to use it and what's the purpose, how you can integrate in your business and everything. And obviously, interaction at scale with AI. It means that you can use generative AI, right? Predictive AI real data, and security and privacy, right? So it's a raw lot of thing. And obviously, it's a time of AI. So you can just explore the AI solution, right? And here you can check each and everything. And by the way, if you want to get a demo of AI, you can obviously enter your email address and get it here. That's so easy to do. Now let's move forward. Now here you have to enter your company email address and just go and click on next. Now enter the password. So here I have an ID. So I will just go and click on save. Now this is called welcome to segment. So this is how it's look. Now you can see here segment allow you to easily connect your data source and send them to your different tools, enable multiple platform use cases. With centralized connection, you will able to better control the quality of your data and what you want to do with it. Now just go and click on get started. But first, what best describe the work you do? So I do marketing, I do product, and I'm the founder, analytics, and if you choose any another, and if the option is not showing up here, you can just go and select others. Now just go and click on next. Now this is the exactly dashboard how it's look, right? Now on the left side, you will see home, connection, and there's a lot of features. On the top right, your profile icon, right? And we are using a free plan, like community and each and everything, developer portal and logout. Obviously, we will talk one by one here. Now, first of all, we need a data. So we need to collect data from your website or app. So we need to add a source. So I'll just go and click on add a source here. Now we will just go to the automatically we are in the catalog section. Now here you can see there's a source. So for example, let's say if you have a website, you can use a website section here. If you want to connect your Android, iOS, Reactive Native, so whatever on whatever platform your application or website is made, you can connect it. And obviously you can connect your Google ads, Facebook ads, and there's a lot of applications, right? For example, if you want to connect your SMS and push notification, you can just do it. Right now, let's go back for once again here. Now let's say I want to connect to my Shopify here, right? In the bottom you can see here they are showing me how I can just connect it. So for example, first of all I have to, okay, just go and click on add source. Obviously I will show, let's do a practical one, right? There's a no useful entering out. So first of all, identify the source within your workspace, typically reflect the name of the application, which we have already did. Now set label to help organize. So I will just put a label here. Now let's say, can I add it to dev, right? And click on add source. Now we are redirecting to a new page. Let's wait here. Now this is a right key, so we just need to copy it up, right? Obviously the right key, I will change it later so that obviously nobody can copy this up. Now you can see here, this will show me once the data has been sourced, automatically each and everything will start showing up here. So it will show me exactly how much data have been taken, and whether it got failed or failed at what source, and whether the filtered and everything, right? Now even successfully, and all this information. So I hope you understood the basic information. So the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, and ensure you're ready to start collecting data right away. By the way, you can just go and click on Shopify by little data here. Now it will show you exactly thing here, right? For example, whether how it's going to, what data it's going to take from my website, and how it will show up in segment, right? Now you can see here, there's obviously you have to take a trial. So let's go to my Shopify store here. Now click on add apps, click on Shopify app store. You will be redirected to a new page. Now here you have to just type segment. You will get option which is called customer segmentations here, but this is the segment which we need, right? And you have to just go and click on install. You will be redirected to the new page here. By the way, if you don't want to integrate in your Shopify, you can skip this part, right? And I will show you how you can do it in the website. Now automatically it has been added, right? Now we'll just go and open it up. Right now here you can see everything, information has been updated here. Automatically you will be redirected to the little data.io, exactly those the company or the organization who made this integration part here. As you can see here, how do you hear about this? Okay, I will just ignore this. I want to skip this survey part. Now here you can see here, so track more customers. So obviously it's not a free, you have to take a plan. So you can buy a plan from here. Let me just close. You can buy a plan from here obviously, or just take a plan from here for the Shopify. And as you can see here, and depending upon your need, you can just go ahead and click on. So here then it will start tracking and importing all the data to your segment. Now let's go back, and I will show you how you can, I hope you understood regarding the Shopify. And once you do this, let's go back here and let me show you how you can do for these websites. Now, for example, let's say your website is made on JavaScript here. I will just go and click on here, click on add source, right? And here you have to enter the URL. So you have to enter the website URL here. And once you enter it up, let's say just for example, I will just enter a Google URL, right? And just go and click on add source. Please enter a valid URL. Okay. Let me enter my Shopify URL and click on add source. Now what you have to do, so you have to copy this snippet. Now this is really important. So you can see here, copy the snippet segment and paste it high in the head of your website. Now how you can do this? So let's go to your website. So you have to just go to your website developer mode. In my case, this is how it looks. I will just go to the themes and liquid. So this is my theme here. Now I will just Control plus F. I have to find the head. Right now here what it says that I have to just paste it high in the head of your website. So let's paste it here. I will just go and click on copy snippet, and let's go to my store here, right? Press the enter and click on paste it here. Now just go and click on save. Now automatically it will get saved here, and this is how it will start taking the information, the data and everything, and it will start showing up, right? By the way, you can also enable the destination on every integration you have made. So you will just come back here, and let's say you want to integrate your HubSpot, your TikTok audience. There's a lot of things which you can do. And now I hope that how you can just set up this, it's really straightforward, right? And obviously I can't show you for each and everything because it will be really a long video. Now let's move forward. So here, now that your account is set up, let's start collecting and unifying customers data. So you can track events. So you can go and track for the sources here section and define events to track, such as a page view, button clicks, and purchases, which you can see here, right? Now you can see here I have added two sources here, and automatically, let's say I want to take from this source. Now it will show me each and everything, right? And same goes for JavaScript for my website. It will start showing me all the data which has collected. Use segment schema to standardize data field and ensure consistency across sources. Segments automatically combines data from multiple sources to create a single unified profile for each customer. Add additional data like demographics or preferences, enhance customers' insights. These tools ensure your data is centralized, clean, and actionable, right? And this is really nice. Now let's talk about the segmentation is key to delivering personalized experience. Now here's how you can use it. So you can navigate to this audience section. If you don't find it, it's fine. Let me show you up. As you can just go to the monitor, and here maybe the name got changed here. Now you can use filter to group customers based on attributes like behavior, location, and purchase history. Save frequency used segments for quick access in future campaigns. You can push your audience to integrations like tools like Facebook ads, which I have already shown here. You can just go to the connections. You can just go to the catalog. Again, here, if you don't find it, you can use the steps which I'm showing up here. Now let's say I want to go for Facebook, right? I will just write here Facebook. Now this is a Facebook here. I'll just go and click on here. Now cloud source data can only go to the warehouse to access your cloud source. So okay, that's fine. Now here you can just go and click on add. So obviously it's not going to add because I need to link my website properly. Now let's say I want to do for Google ads, and here same goes for here, right? So this is how you can install. Now this tool help you to target specific groups, and obviously you can manage at everything at one place. And in the monitor section you will see each and everything, right? Your destination, your storage destinations, your everything, your data graph, and a lot of things here. By the way, there's a custom things coming up. That's a new feature, obviously. Now one of these segments standout feature is ability to activate data across multiple tools. Now what I mean by this, so when I just go to the connections, if you just go to the destination and add tools like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and HubSpot, choose which data streams to send to each destination based on your needs. So set up automated workflow to trigger actions like sending emails, updating CRM records, and retargeting ads. You can use segments analytics to track how your data is being used and measure campaigns effectiveness. These tools ensure your data is working hard to drive result across your entire tech stack. That is really nice. Now, finally, segment provide you powerful thing which is called reporting tool and help you analyze performance, which we'll get in the monitor here. Now let's talk about these protocols. So improve data quality with protocol, and you can automate and scale data validations and improve trust in your data. So let's click on request a demo, and they will help you what it is. And obviously there's a no more information is given here. The only thing is that it makes the data quality, right? You can use segment public APIs to extend your workflows and typewriter tool to reduce implementations error from your developer. Right now this is business tier, so obviously I have to upgrade my plan, then only I will able to use it. Now this is Unify. So Unify is the only solution designed to help data team build and share real-time profiles at scale and enable marketers with self-service access a complete view of the customers in the warehouse. You can also request a demo for it. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to using segments as a CDP to unify your customers' data and drive personalized experience, whether you are collecting data, segmenting audience, or activating campaigns. So segments has the tool to help you succeed. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel.